How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do remove blackheads step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So to remove a blackhead, you guys, blackheads, all they are is that you get them because your pores are blocked. That's all a blackhead is. Your pores are blocked, so you get blackheads. If your pores are blocked, you can also get ingrown hairs, you can get whiteheads, you can get pimples, you can get razor bumps. All of those things can happen if if your pores become blocked. So to get rid of the blackheads, all we have to do is open up the pores, which is actually pretty easy to do. All we have to do is get 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, mix it in a glass, get the sugary watery paste, and then scrub it wherever the blackheads are for 60 seconds. Do this once in the morning, once before going to bed. Within 2 to 3 days, the blackheads will be completely gone, guaranteed. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.